In this video, I show you how we can make the Instagram account private. So right now it's public, but I want the other people's should not be able to search with my name or send me friend requests. So what we can do is make the accounts private. To move to your profile, from the home tab, just click on the bottom right, which will take you to your profile. And after that, just click on the three lines. And once we are in here, we need to scroll down all the way to this section which says who can see your content. Just click here. And as you can see, account privacy is set to public. Now, once we are in here, just enable this or toggle that on for the private account. Just click on switch to private from the bottom, and it says creator account can't be made private. So that means this is a professional account. In that case, what we can do is just go to the section which says for professionals. This is just above the recent section. Click on creator tools and controls. Click on switch account type, and I'll just switch to personal account. Click on switch to personal account. And now we can go to the account privacy and enable the private account from here. It will show you this option again, switch to private. Let's click here. And now it is set to private account. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on Instagram, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.